Welcome to the Youwipe User Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to securely erase drives, test hardware, and manage your reports using Youwipe. Let's get started. To begin using Youwipe, the most reliable method is running the software from a bootable USB drive. You will need two things: the Youwipe ISO file and a flashing tool called Länsikatu. Before continuing, make sure you have a valid license or permission for the ISO file. If you are unsure, contact your salesperson or email support@youwipe.com. First, open Länsikatu. Click Select Image and browse for your Youwipe ISO file. Next, plug in your USB drive. Click Select Drive and choose it from the list. Finally, click Flash to begin. Now, let's boot it up. Make sure your target machine is completely powered off, then plug in your USB. Power the machine on and repeatedly tap your computer's boot key to enter the boot menu. Select your USB drive from the list. During loading, the screen might go dark for 10 to 15 seconds. Don't worry, this is just a power-saving feature. If it doesn't wake up, simply press Enter. If the screen remains completely frozen, reboot using the Sleep Mode Off version of the ISO. Note that the machine must be connected to the internet. Once Youwipe is loaded, every dedicated drive will appear as a drive tile. To erase a drive, locate its tile and click the three-dot menu button. Youwipe supports 16 different erasure patterns, ranging from single-pass clears to highly secure 7-pass DoD standards. Select your desired standard and click Erase this disk. Important: do not interrupt an enhanced secure erasure process. If a drive becomes locked because of an interruption, email us with the subject "Drive locked after wipe" to get a recovery password. Youwipe isn't just for standard drives, it also handles mobile and Apple devices. For Android devices, you'll need to enable debug mode first. Go to Settings, About Phone, and tap Build Number 7 times to become a developer. Then, go to Developer Options, enable USB debugging, and accept the RSA prompt. Plug it into the Youwipe host machine, hit Refresh if needed, click the three dots on the device tile, and select Erase. For iOS devices, first, click the Mount or Unmount icon on a drive tile to move it to the Mobile section. Connect your iPhone or iPad via USB. Make sure you have the latest iOS version downloaded, as the software will automatically update the device after wiping. Then, click the menu and select Erase. For modern Apple Macs, you'll use a separate host machine running Youwipe. Enable mobile or Apple mode on the host, then connect the target Mac using a USB-C cable. Make sure to use the specific port on MacBooks, usually the front left. Put the target Mac into DFU mode by holding Ctrl, Option, Shift, Power button. Once detected, click the menu to erase. Need to check the hardware? Youwipe includes built-in diagnostics that do not consume your licenses. You can run a 15-minute CPU stress test, cycle through colors to check the display for dead pixels, and run interactive tests for the keyboard and mouse. When an erasure is complete, reports are automatically sent to the WipeCenter cloud. You can also save them manually using keyboard shortcuts, like Ctrl-S to save to the USB, or Ctrl-D to export to WipeCenter. Regarding licenses, one license is consumed per physical drive or mobile device the moment erasure starts. However, if the process is canceled or fails, that license is automatically returned. Licenses never expire. If a machine loses power and a license gets marked as lost, just contact support to have it restored. If you ever run into an issue, our support team is here to help. The best way to get assistance is by generating a debug log. Reproduce the error. Plug in an FAT32 formatted USB and press Ctrl-Alt-I. Wait for 20 seconds for the logs to write, then email those files to support@youwipe.com with a description of your problem. Finally, let's look at the WipeCenter, your administrative portal for reports and user accounts. You can access it via the cloud at cloud.youwipe.com or locally via your static IP. Here, you can easily use the search box to filter reports by reference or asset ID, and export your data as a PDF or CSV file with the click of a button. That covers the essentials of using Youwipe. Thank you for watching, and happy erasing!